I believe that the reason why families are not experiencing love, happiness, peace, and connection, really playing on the same team and experiencing cooperation, is because of an underlying scarcity mindset, which puts families in a survival mode where everybody's fighting for something like love, attention, listening, and respect. Living from this scarcity mindset means that we feel like there's a shortage of something, and as a consequence, there's chaos, conflict, and exhaustion. Now, I want to shift things for you for 2022 and show you how to manifest abundance of love, joy, and connection in your family. Hi, my name is Paula Kettola. I am a licensed clinical social worker and a transformational coach. For the past 20 years, I have been helping hundreds of families heal their hearts so that they can open for love and connection. I have also supported thousands of families by putting together amazing expert online interview series with world-renowned experts such as Dr. Daniel Siegel and Dr. Rick Hansen. I am combining my clinical experience with the power of transformational psychology so that I can empower parents to discover who they really are, their authentic self, which is patient, present, and loving. One of my passions is studying and practicing the principles of abundance, which is why I have put this workshop together so I can also teach them to you. By learning the 5 principles of abundance, you will figure out how to overcome overwhelm so that you can show up as your most authentic, generous, and loving self. You will also learn how to be empowered instead of being triggered, and how to turn defiance into peace and cooperation. It's super easy to sign up. Just click the button that says yes to prosperity in 2022. Let's make 2022 the most amazing, abundant, and magical year yet, because life is now. And each moment we continue to live in this scarcity way of being, we miss the most precious thing, which is the present moment, and in reality, the only moment that truly exists. So stop wasting your time, stop wasting your life by living in this fear, overwhelm, and exhaustion. Go ahead, sign up right now so you can get started on how to shift from just surviving as a parent to thriving as a family. I'll see you at the workshop. Bye now.